Welcome everyone to Golden Brown. Today I am going to cook the chicken rice bowl. It's very easy to cook and delicious to taste. So let's start the recipe. First of all, I have taken some boiled carrots, broccoli and bean, chopped tomato, sliced onion, some spring onion, some green chilies, and of course some ginger garlic to it. So let's start cooking. Now heat a karai, put oil to it. When oil becomes hot and releasing its smoke, I am going to add a teaspoon of cumin seed to it. And now I am going to add chicken to it. I have taken 250 grams of chicken, the breast chicken. The breast chicken takes less time to cook and it's very easy for this type of recipe. That's why I have chosen breast chicken. Now let's mix it, stir it well. Remember, we need to cook at least 6 to 7 minutes like this without putting anything on it. And the outer part of the chicken should be cooked. Minutes, I am going to put 1 tablespoon of soya sauce to it. Now I am going to add here some red chili sauce to it. A teaspoon of red chili sauce. Now add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. White vinegar to it. Mix all of them together. Very finely mix it. So the chicken has taken the color of the soya and the red chili sauce. Now let it fry for a few moments. Now it's time to add salt to it, salt to taste. After salt, now let's put some sugar to it. It's time to add the onion to it. I'm going to put the onion on it and then the ginger garlic, finely chopped ginger garlic. Now mix them and fry for another few minutes. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder to it. Let it fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. After that, put the green chilies to it. Let's add the tomato to it and then mix it very well and fry till the tomato start releasing its water. Keep stirring it, keep frying it. chicken is almost cooked and our tomato is releasing its water. So it is the time to add the spring onion to it. I'm going to put the spring onion to it. Mixing it very well. And medium heat. That for a few moments. Now let's put the carrots to it, followed by the beans, and at last the broccoli. Let's mix all of them together. Now it's a very beautiful flavor. Now put some water to it, almost a cup of water will be alright. At this moment you have to make it ready, a bowl of cooked rice, because we are going to finish this. This is a topping to the rice. So let's cook it for a moment. It's almost done. Get your rice bowl ready. See, it's done, completely done. Can't wait to have it now. Let's put this, all of them, as topping on the rice. So finally, our second rice bowl is ready to be served. Enjoy it, your family. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next Sunday. Till then, bye bye. Take care.